Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to factory reset iPhone without computer in iPhone 17 Air Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down, click on general. Now here click on software update. Make sure your software update is latest iOS 6.01. So if it not update, so update your software at latest. After the updating, go back to home screen, refresh phone, and again go to app library and click on utility folder. Click on settings app. Scroll down, click on general. Now here scroll down to end. Click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on this. Continue. Click on this. So after the click on this, go back. Click on reset. Reset all setting. Enter your phone passcode. Click on reset all setting. It's just reset all setting. It's not delete and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can security reset iPhone without computer in iPhone 17 Pro Air. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.